Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers. We're out here in Richmond, Virginia, Copart yard. It's a beautiful day. We're actually getting an RV over there on that side, but right now let's go check out whatever other stuff they have. They're definitely first time here at this yard. So far it's beautiful. The main yard, it's really nice. The headquarters, the office itself is top of line. They actually have a motorcycle inside. I've never seen that before, so that's pretty neat. But yeah, let's check out some more stuff they have. I mean, check out this mini dump trailer. Pretty sweet, minor dents and scratches. This thing's a 2024. Just looks so solid. I don't know, I guess we are getting older and these things appeal to us now, you know. It's a nice heavy duty dump trailer. I mean, this thing is a machine. Basically got some hydraulics in there, right? Oh yeah, look at that. You got a little jack, you have the button, battery, pump, super sick. So definitely want to see what it goes for. Put gravel, rocks, whatever, you know, stuff happens. You know, you always need a good dump trailer. And it comes with free junk. Yay. Looks like roofing material or something, and some metal, some serious stuff they were dumping there. So I guess they got tired and they dumped the whole trailer together. But that's interesting. We'll keep an eye on that. Semi trucks. I seen a lot of UPS trucks. Let's go check that out too. Never really got into commercial vehicles, but maybe we should. Who knows? I just don't know the resale value of these guys. But they're here and people buy them, people sell them. I think Goon Squad bought one of these and they're doing donuts on it. It's pretty cool. Why not? But I don't know. So these are salvaged out to what? Just also minor dents and scratches, nothing really. It's a 09, basically just out of service, probably so many miles on and they just get rid of them. But pretty cool, definitely interesting. Sheesh. Fully metal, just as rugged as it gets. Poor UPS drivers, that sucks. That looks bad. Hope they updated it after a while, because this is like bare bones. There's just wires exposed and straight metal. Dang.
Well, they get paid pretty good.
They get paid pretty good, but it's like, well, there's no UPS stickers on it, so I can't legally say that. Who knows what these mail delivery vans are that are brown. Whatever. Man, this is very common. The second one I've seen recently that's like the fire just happened right here. So Ivan's thinking the blowout, and then it just goes up. Dang. Which kind of makes sense. Look how wide and fat that tire is. It's like, dang, huge. So that thing pops, catches on fire, and then it just, what are you supposed to do with that though? Basically a front end parts, because I don't know about repairing this guy. They're so expensive. Parts to get parts for these, you have to like outsource them overseas, and they take like months to get. So, because I wanted a charter bus for our church, we're looking into it, but man, so expensive. So the maintenance, the upkeep, the parts. I mean, you have 4 windshield wipers. Who needs that? Pretty sick. Yep, and the fire just went on both sides. Happened to the other one too. So I guess you got some good stuff in the front, but the engine's in the back, and then, oh my goodness, this door is so heavy. Uh-oh, well, I see a problem here already. Check it out. I don't think the driver should be having any of that. Dang. I didn't want to go inside. You can just smell the burnness. I don't miss that smell. That's okay. Let's just close that up. Let's go check out some cool cars. Yeah. That's not on my radar anymore. That's a whole lot of work, guys. If you want to see us rebuild something like this, leave some comments below. We'll read it. I don't know. That's a lot. Let's go check out some cool trucks, cool cars, see what else they got. Very clean yard. I mean, everything's organized. All the trucks on this side. It's been a little bit since we bought a car and truck, guys. I get it. I'm doing a lot of RVs and campers, but we'll switch back. We'll get some cool builds again. Nice. All sorts of damages. Dang. Very clean, very organized. This is more of the clean title things I think he was saying on this side. A water flood damage and clean title vehicles. So not a lot of wrecks, but more flooded vehicles. All right, guys, we got ourselves a 2016 Toyota 4Runner. Just kind of stood out. It looks really nice. So it's basically salvaged out to a burn, interior burn. So the outside looks pretty good. But yep, right there in that center console, burned. Smells okay, but dang, how deep is that burn? Let me check it out over there, but it's not bad. I wonder what caught on fire in the center console. Maybe they had some aftermarket speaker wires or something, and something caught on fire. SRS modules down there and stuff, so it shouldn't be too bad, but at the same time it could be dangerous, so keep an eye on it, see what it goes for, but these definitely go high. For some reason, an insurance auction, people still pay top dollar, almost asking price, even though it's salvaged out and issues on it. So one could hope and dream, but we'll see how much it goes for. Wow, just right next, look at this beauty, this catalog. I mean, super nice. Definitely would love something like this to drive around, but I don't even see a lot number on it, so I'm not gonna touch it because I don't know, it might be like really brand new or something. Looks like there's some side damage, rear quarter panel damage right there. Very minor. To salvage it out for that, I mean, that'd be crazy, but very nice. We could fix that. I'll buff right out, no problem. I don't see anything else going on with it. But like I said, it's probably really new because I don't even see a lot number on it, so. Oh well. Again, they don't go for super cheap. You have to shop around, and this thing's still gonna go high dollar. I mean, it looks great, tinted out, it's all blacked out. But I'm sure it drives great. Let's keep going. Got all the vans on this side. It's a really big yard. All the pretty wrecked stuff on this side. Swing by the Teslas on that side too. They're all spaced out, all electric cars. No Cybertrucks. Not here, not yet. It's like an older Tesla in the back right there. What is this thing? Lucid. Pretty sick. Let's check it out. I don't know. All right, guys, check this thing out. It's pretty cool. 2022. I mean, when this first came out, it was super cool, super secretive. Supposed to compete with Tesla, I guess. But yeah, now it's been a couple years, and they're also prone to get accidents. So we got some rear end damage going on for sure. It doesn't look bad, honestly. Looks like the rear bumper just fell off. Structurally looks fine. That's funny. This is the speaker right there to make the engine sounds, I guess, or I don't know, backup or something. Gap lines are off a little bit. Wow, very detailed though. I mean, not too bad. But look at this front glass. This thing is huge, and it's cracked right there. So imagine replacing this whole thing. It goes all the way to the top right here. It's one solid piece. Dang. It looks cool, but practicality, I'm sure it's very expensive. Sick though, yeah, I don't see those every day. Pretty cool. Cameras in the front, all around, very slick. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Keep an eye on it, see what it goes for. I'm definitely curious to see the price on them, but I have no idea the resale value for a salvage electric car like that. It's a brand new market. It's pretty cool how it was all moving and stuff. The sea was coming in and out. Yeah. Sick. I like the screen. Yeah, definitely neat. That's neat. All right. right, so we drive towards the front now, check out the cool cars. The other heavy side, got some boats, random stuff, trailers, a couple bikes. I guess we are more up north. That's a sick GMC right there though, Denali HD. High dollar. You can find all sorts of things in Copart for sure. That's a big old trailer. Dang. Probably got red hole on something really heavy. Cool stuff. Smushed. Dang, look at that RV. They're still selling that. I mean, what are you supposed to do with that? Completely burned. Stuff you see on the side of the road just on fire. This is where it goes after. Yeah, these Tundras go for so much. I've been watching them, trying to pick one up. My buddy played one to like $50,000. It's insane. I don't get it. Just people overseas. We'll see if things change with these tariffs, though. Who knows? Let's get out of his way. Definitely a nice yard. All right, guys. So that's basically a wrap. We drove around the yard, checked it out. A couple cool things. Nothing crazy supercars, but why not? Definitely want to watch that Lucid 2022. It's a rent and drive, also just stripped. Their estimated value is $44,000 brand new. So I'm really curious to see how much it goes for. It's actually playing tomorrow and we're watching it. So interesting, stay tuned. At the end, we'll reveal how much it goes for. Do a little camera magic kind of thing, fast forward. So we'll see the final price for that. But thanks for joining today's adventure. You know, we drove around, checked the yard. Usually just do it online or you can do it in real life. So pretty cool. Make sure you leave some comments down below, hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys next time.